Hello, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. In additional, not in the weekend edition of Saturday 16th or Sunday 17th December 2023. No, I've told you in the weekend edition we have no additional. Is the additional of the Friday edition, Friday December the 15th 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles of the Friday edition, the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars Sudoku. So it's now time for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 7638. 7638. Yeah, 7638. And before I start, I always kind of printed digits. This one has 21 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 21, and of course it's indicated with a 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Our boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box, contains the 1 and 2. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. Here the 1 and 2, well, I need more information. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes here. How about the quadruple boxes? Well, can see any quadruple boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Well, how about the first shape? How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle here? Upside down here, another one, and there, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. And that box in this L shape has the same number as this box. More L shapes? Nope, only 3 of them. And the following shape, how about this shape then? About this shape. Let me draw this shape here. And when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes? Nope. And overlook this L shape. Well. Rotate it. We have more L shapes here. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. And do we have other shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. I marked this box with 1 or 2. We have a 1 here, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. And These two boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, let me mark those. 2 and 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 4. This box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. Alright. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 and more. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. So 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 3, because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. Let me see. These two boxes. Wait. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Yeah. And now. Then. Let me think. How about this box can be 3. That box can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Alright. Then these two boxes can be 5. These two boxes can be 3. So the 5 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright. Then. This box can be 1. This box can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Well. Let me think. How about 5? Come on. This is things too long. This box can be 5. That box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This is difficult. Well, this box can be 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. Then this box can be 1, so 1 could be here, could be there. Well, these 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, let me mark those. 1 and the 3. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 4, need to wait. Then this box. No. Come on. 1, 4. I need a 5 here. Well, I need a 5 here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5 is connected with that box, should be so 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright. 3 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers are 1 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, so we do the fix. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku, a.k.a. quintuplet. Until then, bye-bye for now.